Today I'll be making some steak with some 1-year-old fried rice. Okay, I'll start with adding some butter. Oh, I forgot to turn on the pan. I'm gonna add some butter. Okay, while the butter is buttering in the pan, I'm gonna add my green onions. Stir it there. And I want to add some jalapeno. I'm gonna add it. I'll just like use scissors and cut it over the pan. Yeah, here the test starts. Okay, now I'm gonna add my jalapeno. Let's get the other one. Great, now let's stir it in. Smells great. You can smell butter. Okay, after that, I think I'm gonna put my eggs. After the onions and the jalapeno has sauteed for a while, I'm gonna add the eggs. Okay, the first egg. 1 quack, 2 quack, 3 quack. Perfecto. Now we're gonna stir the egg around. Add some seasonings, some salt, some pipette. Oh my god, put a lot. Okay, no problem. Pipette is good. I'm gonna add my 10-year-old rice. Okay, and to make the rice look good, you need to add some soy sauce and some MSG. Definitely. It's fried rice, it needs MSG. A little more. It's good. Stirring it until you break everything down. And that is how to make the perfect egg fried rice. Now, cooking my steak on paper towel. Most important thing is dry your steak. Okay, now I'm gonna season my steak after I patted it dry. It's fully dry by now. I'm gonna use the big 3 Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse and Italian seasoning and good old boys. I know it's a weird mix, but believe me, it tastes good. Repeat on the other side. Heat your pan. Egg fried rice. Heating the skillet, and to know it's hot, like it's smoking. You'll know it's hot. Gonna drop the steak. You hear that? That's the sound you want. Then keep pushing it down to make sure everything's cooking evenly. Lower the heat and cover it. Let's cover it. Okay, after a while, let's see. Woo! Smoking. Nice crust. That'll play better. Okay, now that the steak is cooked, I'm gonna add my butter. Add my garlic, crushed garlic. And because I don't have the other greens they put, I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning. Put some of that. Yeah, that will make it for the other greens. After you added the skillet is hot, so use protection, boys. Don't touch the skillet when it's hot. Now I'm gonna put my buttery gold. Look at that. It looks great. Crust. Look at that crust. Look at that. Now that the steak is done cooking, we need to start plating. Take that, put it here. While letting this beautiful steak crust on the side, take our beautiful fried rice. Put some of that in the skillet. You put some of that fried rice in the skillet and let it take the juices of the steak. Don't forget to remove the garlic, unless you like eating garlic. After we're done with the fried rice in the skillet, now we're gonna cut our steak. Now we're gonna get a knife. Now after cutting our steak, we're gonna add the fried rice. Let's add our weight. Perfect. Okay, for the last part, taste test. Beautiful steak. It's great. That's how you make gourmet food at home. It's the best. If you ever want steak and fried rice, that's how you make it.